guys, Angela again. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for visiting. I am painting very late today. It's about midnight, and since schools are closed again, I don't know if I mentioned to you guys that I'm a teacher, and once our schools close, teachers get a break for 2 months.
If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos.
This is a 12 by 16 canvas, and basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all these colors. I'm gonna give you a rundown on these colors. This here is phthalo green and bronze. I'm trying to get, to kind of do, I'm trying to introduce new paints. Let's see how they would look like. I just mix paints to see what I would come up with. That was green, phthalo green and bronze. This is iridescent blue, phthalo blue, and moss black. So this is a really deep blue, almost black. That is what's gonna be part of the paint that I'm gonna pour first. Then here I have gold mixed with a little bit of orange. So this is gold with a little bit of orange. Here is my favorite and beautiful color that I've mixed. It's metallic green and phthalo blue. I'm sorry, metallic green and phthalo green. So that's what you see there. It's very shiny, beautiful and shiny. And last but not least, I have another favorite of mine, crimson red and Mars black. I just mix them up just to kind of deepen the red because it was too bright. So yes, and my base paint will be my Artist Loft white, and I put a little bit of silver in here, just regular silver. I believe it was Liquitex silver. So that's what I'm doing. All right, let's do this. I love this color. This is a beautiful color. No, I always like mixing my colors. I don't want to put too much to a point where it's gonna start it's gonna become too much, because I'm gonna add more paint on here for my design. So okay, so this is my paint that I'm gonna put in on first, and then I'll tilt it, and then once I tilt it, then we can, once I tilt this, then we can add more paint. Okay. You with me? So let's go ahead and tilt this. Hopefully it's not too thick. I don't think it is. Might have been a little bit too thick. like it's about done here. I am going to leave it like this for now, because if I keep doing it, I'm gonna end up ruining it. But I'll come back and show you the dry result once it dries in a couple hours. See you then. Please like and subscribe to my channel.
hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Share with your friends and family, and God bless. Bye.